Hey everyone, I'm Ivan, and today I'm going to show this video of me making my own Bendy cosplay for this cosplay I actually had for Halloween. I was going out as Bendy, and my friend, my best friend was Alice Angel, and that's also the reason why I wasn't able to post this before Halloween because I was helping her with her cosplay prop. So this video's late, but better late than never, you know? So I'm gonna shut up now, so enjoy the video. So first off, I'm putting on a wig cap so that my hair won't get in my face, and also that it will be easier to put on the wig afterwards so that I don't have to get my wig messy and stuff. So now you should use your white face paint to cover your whole face and some of your neck. But you also need to cover your eyebrows by blocking them out first before you start with the face paint. Now I will just take some eyeliner to make my eyes look a bit darker in the center, and I'm going to mix it a bit with eyeshadow too, just to make my eyes a bit darker. I decided to color my waterline with a white pencil. So here I tried to kinda make some eyebrows. I usually just make a line, but this time I kinda tried. Don't judge me, it was the first time, so yeah, you could probably do better. So here I kind of just started to shape my nose to make it look like you kind of have some type of form and kind of like a bit 3D, I'd say. But it's optional if you think so. Now I'm using my eyeliner to color my upper lip, and this is optional. I use eyeliner, but you can also use face paint or a lipstick, whatever. Okay, so now I'm doing the ink that is dropping from Bendy's face. And this is also optional how you want to do it. I like doing it with my eyeliner and kind of just just messing around, kinda make it look like it's dripping from the eyes and maybe from the forehead and off the side of the face and stuff and down your neck. That's kinda what I'm doing right now, so you can either do that or do your own thing. So now I'm just going to use some eyeshadow, some black and grayish silver to kind of just darken out the eyeliner. I'm using my black eyeshadow to kind of just shade and outline my jawline to make it kind of like pop out of the white face paint. For the makeup. And now on to clothes. I use a black bottom shirt and also a pair of black pants, and this also the white bow, and also this is optional, but I use a black and white vest, and you also just kind of need a wig. Yeah, there you have it, and that's all for now. See ya!
They've sent you a letter to come back home to play, but to your dismay, this isn't your day, for the happy fun time has begun to fade. Watch as we reanimate our corpses you've abandoned, and we're dismantled, we're mishandled, but